Kita lagi ada di hari ini kita mau ke Siloke lagi, dan ini adalah yang ke second kalinya kita ke Siloke. Sekarang kita udah berada di Ngalau Basure 7. Nah, sekarang kita masuk ke apa? Ngalau Basure. Woi, enggak. Di lampu, woi lampu. Bukan enggak. Jadi kalian kalau mau kesini harus bawa senter ya. Guys, serius gila bener. Ya.
Could dress up to get love, but guess what? I'm never gonna be that girl who's living in a Barbie world. Could wake up and make up and play dumb, pretending that I need a boy who's gonna treat me like a toy. I know the other girlies wanna wear expensive things with diamond rings, but I don't wanna be the puppet that you're playing on a string. This queen don't need a king. Oh, I don't know what you've been told, but this guy right here's gonna rule the world. Yeah, that is where I'm gonna be, because I wanna be. No, I don't wanna sit still, look pretty. You get off on a 9 to 5 dream of picket fences and trophy wives, but no, I'm never gonna be, cause I don't wanna be. No, I don't wanna sit still, look pretty. It's alright, could be nice for one night, but then he wanted to.
Ya guys, hari ini kita sedang berada di Siloke. Hah? Habis ini kita mau ke Ngalau Telago.
I've been waiting for you to come back like the summer. That kind of weather
Ya,
just
seperti inilah jalan
brings me back to you.
menuju Ngalau Telago ya.
You're the type of love I just can't get a hold of. Say the word and I'll be racing back to you. You went bad, I got mad. I got back at your best. Wish I could take it back. Is it too late now to take it back? I admit that I was wrong. It should have been you all along. Turns out I can't go on.
Akhirnya setelah sejam perjalanan kita sampai juga di Ngalau Telago. Kita lagi ada di